Differences between crystalline solid and amorphous solid. The first is the regular geometrical form in the crystalline solid. These solids, they have these orderly arrangements of atoms that produce these faces, also causes the solids to have the highly regular shapes, the geometrical forms like circle, square, triangle. Because of that, they have a regular geometrical forms. While for the amorphous means in the Greek words as without form. So they do not have geometrical forms or geometrical shape. They lack the order found in crystalline solids. Next is about the sharp melting point. Crystalline solid have a sharp melting point, while for the amorphous they do not have sharp melting point. That is, they melt over a wide range of temperatures, while crystalline solids melt at a particular temperature. Next is about the compressibility. The crystalline solid, they are rigid and incompressible, while the amorphous, they too are usually rigid and cannot be compressed to any appreciable extent. So the next is about the clean cleavage, or it can also be said that the crystalline, when they are cut with a sharp edge tool, they give clean cleavage. That is, they break into two pieces with plain surfaces for the crystalline solid, while for the amorphous they give irregular cleavage. That is, they break into two pieces with irregular surfaces, unlike the crystalline with irregular pieces, irregular surfaces. Next is about the heat of fusion. That is, these crystalline solids have definite heat of fusion, while they do not have a definite heat of fusion. The heat of fusion means that the amount of heat energy required for the solid to change into liquid at the given melting point. Next is about the anisotropic and isotropic. Anisotropic, that is this, for the crystalline, they have their mechanical and electrical properties depend on the direction along which they are measured, while this amorphous, they are isotropic, that is, they have similar physical properties in all direction because the constituents are in random manner. And also these amorphous solids at the atomic level, the structure of these at amorphous solids are very similar to the structure of solids. I mean the structures of liquid, but the molecules, atoms or ions lack the freedom of motion they have in liquids. It's just that they are very similar to liquids, but they do not have the freedom to move as like in the liquids. So the examples of crystalline solids are diamond, sugar, ice, calcite, quartz, and for the amorphous, they are chalk, rubber, plastic, the other kind of that's a PVC, glass. So these are the differences between these two kinds of solid. Very basic concept, very easy. Yeah, it's just that they usually have a very flat surfaces. They have orderly repeating pattern for these crystalline solids, while they do not have, they lack the order. That's it for these two.